put on the safety gears. Then check power and lights. Okay. Ano yan? Nakalagay dyan. Yung parking. Saan yung parking? Step. So park. Okay, standby. And then okay, then start how to use the scooter. Glide first. And then how to use the brake. Foot brake. Okay, step and then how to use the handbrake. What do you have to press? The one in the left. The one in the right is for the speed acceleration. Okay. Then the other one is disc brake, right? Sa likod.